Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
You murdered me, you bitch.
Oh.
Let's start. Open any editing application. Go to New Project and add 7 photos. Select Format 9:16. Zoom all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and write first text. Choose font and style. Now place the text. Now apply this text layer till the end of first photo. Now listen to the audio and write second text at that position. Place the text and apply text layer till the end of first photo. Now listen audio again and write third text at that position. Place text and adjust text layer. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.